Tech stocks are in focus as there's lots of selling going on. Let's bring in Charles Moon of Prosper Trading Academy. Boy, that selling pressure has been hitting the market over concerns that the Fed could actually raise rates.
Yeah, eventually for me, I got to see tech bounce here pretty soon. Quite honestly, I think it's a little bit overcooked. I understand the concerns of rising rates and how fast they're rising, but, based on what Fed Powell says, I fully expect them to be remaining accommodative towards, the bond market. That we're just going to have to kind of wait and see how this all plays out. If yields continue to rise, they're going to continue to put that downside pressure on equities, especially with tech. It's not really all of tech. It's really just the big boys in tech. It's like Apple and Facebook and, Tesla obviously weighs on the spoos now, and Amazon. And these stocks have been really underperforming a lot of the other names that have been really strong under these market conditions. So if we could kind of get that FANG basket to really just wake up and get bullish again, I think all things will be okay. So that's just really what's on my radar at this moment right now.
Charles, what's your trade of the day?
So, speaking of tech, one of the names that I really do like is AMAT, Alpha Mike, Alpha Tango. If they kind of hold this like 110, 111 price range, and even down to like right around 107, 108, that's really where I like that demand zone, that buy zone in play. I think that there could be a lot of substantial support coming in. And if they continue to hold that price level, I fully anticipate AMAT, especially if the markets rebound, to not only, race back towards their historic highs of 124.5, but they could start easily pushing through. Now, of course, some of this will be dependent on how NVIDIA reports, but overall, I really love the upside play in a strong trending name. Now, that being said, I'll probably stop myself if it does slide below 102, but I don't anticipate that happening. AMAT doesn't perform well under these market conditions. I would probably stop myself out just under 102. Now, there is support at 99s. I would expect that to hold. I would expect the $100 level, the psychological level, to hold. Now, of course, that is dependent on the overall markets. But if we bounce back, I think AMAT is prime for a big snapback here.
Pleasure to have you here. Thanks, Charles.
Thank you for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.